Ever wondered why some YouTubers skyrocket to fame while others struggle to get their content noticed? It's a question that has puzzled many an aspiring video creator. You see, there's a common misconception that achieving success on YouTube is akin to winning the lottery. Pure luck, nothing more. But that's far from the truth. In reality, those who've tasted success on this platform have employed certain strategies and principles that have helped them rise to the top. They've understood the importance of consistency, quality, and engagement. They've recognized the power of trends and harnessed it to their advantage. They've learned to adapt and evolve with the ever-changing digital landscape. So you see, success on YouTube isn't about being at the right place at the right time. It's about understanding the platform and its audience. It's about learning, adapting, and implementing effective strategies. Success on YouTube isn't a lottery, it's a science. Consider PewDiePie, one of the most successful YouTubers in history. His journey to success is a reflection of consistent content creation, audience engagement, and a unique brand personality. PewDiePie, or Felix Kjellberg, started his channel in 2010 with videos focused on video game commentary. His content evolved over the years, but what remained consistent was his commitment to delivering regular videos, sometimes uploading multiple times a day. This consistency helped him build a loyal fan base, who appreciated his raw, unfiltered approach to content creation. But it wasn't just about quantity. PewDiePie understood the importance of engaging with his audience. He regularly responded to comments, incorporated fan suggestions into his content, and even held live streams to interact with viewers in real time. Lastly, PewDiePie's quirky, unapologetic personality set him apart. He wasn't afraid to be himself, and that authenticity resonated with viewers. PewDiePie didn't just stumble upon success, he crafted it. Then there's Lily Singh, who went from being a psychology graduate to a YouTube sensation. Lily carved her own path in a crowded digital landscape, identifying a unique niche that resonated with her personality and audience. Her journey wasn't about overnight success, but a testament to perseverance, creativity, and strategic thinking. Recognizing the power of authenticity, Lily created high-quality content that was a true reflection of herself. She didn't just make videos, she told stories, shared experiences, and built a community. This authentic approach resonated with millions worldwide, turning viewers into loyal followers. Moreover, Lily harnessed the power of social media to amplify her brand. She understood that building a successful YouTube career wasn't just about uploading great content, it was about engaging with her audience, being consistent, and staying relevant. Lily Singh didn't just dream about success, she worked for it, and that, folks, is the real secret behind her YouTube stardom. So, what can we learn from these YouTube success stories? Well, let's break it down. Consistent content creation is the bedrock of YouTube success. Like clockwork, you've got to keep those videos coming, ensuring your audience always has something new to look forward to. Next up, audience engagement. It's not enough to simply upload videos. You need to interact with your viewers, respond to comments, and create a sense of community. That's how you turn viewers into subscribers, and subscribers into loyal fans. And let's not forget about developing a unique brand personality. Your channel should be a reflection of you, your passions, and your values. It's what sets you apart in the sea of content. Identifying a niche and creating high-quality content within that niche is another crucial element. It's about finding that sweet spot where your interests and the interests of your audience intersect. Lastly, don't overlook social media. It can be a powerful tool for promotion and outreach. These aren't just strategies, they're the building blocks of YouTube success. Now that you know the secrets to YouTube success, what will you do with them? You've heard the stories, learned the strategies, and seen the results. It's time to turn knowledge into action. Begin by identifying your unique brand personality or niche. What makes you different from the millions of other channels out there? What's that special something that only you can bring to the table? Once you've figured that out, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start creating. Craft high-quality content that not only reflects your brand but resonates with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. It's not enough to upload one great video, you need to keep delivering time and time again. But don't let the pressure get to you. It's a journey, not a sprint. Each video is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. Remember, success isn't about luck, it's about strategy. So start strategizing today.